everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on the river from the 26th to the 30th of July 2021 on Monday. Mabotso fears that his relationship with Nomonde is a ticking time bomb and an unforeseen situation at Paulina's Tavern creates major tension on Tuesday. Kedibone amps up her campaigns against Muhumi while Beauty makes a big mistake on Wednesday. A secret is ready to explode over the Dikana household and Kedibone gets exactly what she wanted but not in the way she was expecting on Thursday. Emma has a plan up to leave that will finally one-up Nomonde on Friday. Nomonde deals with her public humiliation while Kedibone has to face the consequences of her action. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.